Okay, we're good to go. Hey everybody, and welcome to our new content. And for today, we're going to play Resident Evil 2. So this is the remake version, and I've never played the original before. And I do believe that the original Resident Evil 2 is an amazing game. Alright, so without a further ado, let us now proceed to the gameplay. Okay, we're going to choose Leon S. Kennedy, one of my favorite character in Resident Evil. At dahil magaling tayo maglaro, syempre assisted. Just kidding, this is just for the beginners. So bye-bye ko ang movies nito eh, magandang movies din ito guys. By the way, I'm playing this game on my PlayStation now. Ano to? Ay, burger! Nothing to worry, it's just a burger. Oh. What are they talking about? Huh? Mukhang pinag-uusapan nila yung zombie ah. Well, that was awkward. What's happening right now? Nagkakagay na audio natin. Sa speaker ba yun?
Just getting good.
Ay, sorry. Doon pala yun sa game. Sa cinematic. Kala ko sa headset natin eh, or headphone.
Need some sleep.
What the heck? Ano yung bulto? Ay, putik! Hoy!
Oh, shit.
Putik, may nabunggo ka. Oh my goodness. Well, I think that is where the horror starts. Well, that was an accident. Ang dugo. Naku, men. Mukhang nabawian mo na buhay. Nako. What do I do? Bumangon! Napaka-imposible naman ng ganyan. Pero feel ko zombie nga yun. Well, that was our first encounter. Alright, I guess this is Leon now. Stop muna nga tayo sa gas station, magpapagas. I-full tank na natin agad yan! Alright, si Leon nga. At ang bata pa niya. Okay, Leon, i-full tank mo na yan. That's kinda strange, right? No one's around, so... Which means, something's not right. And weird. Okay, okay. Leon is having a second thought right now. Okay, may dugo. This is definitely not right. Alright, here we go. Explore your surroundings. So R is looking around. Alright, let's do this. Whoa. Wala akong tiwala sa place. Feel ko may jumpscare ito maya-maya. Nandahan, men. Putik, may lupit ng details niya. Kala mo yung mga tunay na tao na.
Hello? Anybody there?
Okay, no one's around. Okay, the supplies are still there. We can still loot.
Something's not right.
Very obvious naman, something's not right. Oh, tama, may mga dugo pa sa paligid. Wala pang ilaw at ang tahimik. Ay, what's that sound? Ano yung sound na yun?
You alright?
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Bro! Ba't parang nakagat siya?
I'll be back for you.
Okay, sige, doon daw tayo pumunta. Men, magpagaling ka! Mukhang na-trauma siya ah. Uy! Ano yun? What's that? Ano yun? Ay! Putik! Uy!
Hey, what are you doing?
Kasi doon tayo! Sadya ba mangyayari yun? Okay, never mind. Paano ba to? Wala ba iba tayong pupuntahan din eh? Just straight through? Okay. Dadaan tayo din. May diding ako eh.
Officer,
Ang ginagawa nyo?
Stay back, sir. I got this.
Okay. Oh! Aray! Ah, putik yung details nung kagat! Sobra naman. Ay, tsura ng zombie pagkakalupit!
freeze!
Ah!
I'll shoot!
Putik may naglupit! Okay, okay. Here we go.
What the?
Kawasan hindi pa sapat ay isang putok! Ha? Tatlo na yan. Ang kunat ng ulo ng zombie, hindi pa sapat ang isang putok. Grabe. Ako, kawawa yung officer. Kaya kung magiging zombie na yung maya-maya. Saan pa tayo? Teka. Oo nga, may daan pa din eh. There's nothing here. Door. Okay, lock to. Okay, okay. So nakita natin yung ating inventory. Paano ba yan? Paano inventory natin? Okay, triangle. Nice. Oh, there's our key. Just what we wanted. Okay, so ganyan mag-store ng items sa ating storage. Escape from the store. Okay, sige. Ito yung takbo natin, R3. Ay! Ah! Kinabangon pa! Nagbuhay ka pa!
What the hell?
What the hell nga? Sumabog ang ulo. Bumangon ka pa niyan, sige. Okay, sige. Got it. Alright. Bukas na pintuan natin. Let's go. Hey, zombie na yung officer. Takbo. Naging zombie na siya, men. Okay. So tayo. Ay, butik. Wala namang mga yung kanina. Huy. Don't look back.
Don't shoot!
Get down!
Sa likod mo, pe. Nice one. Who's this? Nice shot, Leon. Ay, si Claire!
Yeah, I think so. Thanks.
Ang ganda ni Claire din eh.
Safe.
Holy shit.
Nice. Ang dami! Nadig nila siguro yung putok ng barrel natin. Ay! Ang dami ng mga zombie din eh. Time to go.
Get in!
Nako, yung sasakyan ni Leon, sayang. Go. Ayos na agad. Hey! Oh my goodness. Delikado yun.
What was going on?
I don't know. Hopefully they'll have some answers at the police station.
Nagkaroon na outbreak.
Wait, you're a cop?
Yup,
Yeah. Leon Kennedy. You walk?
Claire,
Claire.
you're Redfield.
Oo, kapatid niya siya ni Chris Redfield.
Live around here?
Nice.
No. Nathan's my brother.
Hmm,
He's a cop too.
okay.
It's a good thing we found each other. I don't know what to expect anymore.
Okay, welcome to Raccoon City. Alright, here's our intro. Reflection na pala sa salamin. Nangyari min sa syudad, oh. One way or another. Is that a ghost? Or is it just a zombie? Putik guys, I think this is going to be a disaster. Alright, here's our main title, Resident Evil 2. Okay, what happens now?
Attention all citizens. Due to the citywide outbreak, you are advised to take shelter at the Raccoon City Police Station.
Sure kayo safe doon sa police station? Sa true.
Police station's not much farther. We'll know something.
Yeah, but if we're the only ones, well, there's no
No,
survivors.
they're survivors. It's a big city.
Sana nga may survivor
It
doon.
has to be.
Mhm. So, ayan, nagkaroon naman tayo ng block. A block passage. Or either way, it's a dead end.
It's like we're walking from here.
Yup. Nope. Nope. Not today. Hinakaay, no?
More like running.
Yeah, big call.
Yup. Whew! Hey! Uy, putik!
Leon, you gotta back up.
Bakit? Ano ba yun? Oh, ano yun? Bus? Is that a bus? Wait, truck! Huh? Ay, ito yung lalaki kanina! Hindi nakagat!
There, get out. Get out now!
Uy, umalis na kayo! Alis, alis! May kailangan ba tayong pindutin? Para makalis? Okay, wala. It's a cinematic.
Hold on!
Okay, maigi. Hawak na maigi. Okay, he's gone. Ang putik, ang gulo! What is this? Pero sana naman okay kayo. Okay. Gas everywhere. Be cautious there, Leon. Nasa si Claire? Hoy! Hoy, si Claire! No! Sabi na eh. Lakas sa sabog dito. Flammable yun, ha? Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ang init.
Claire! Claire, you okay?
Where's Claire?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay, she's good.
How about you?
Putik. Yan, nagkabukod tuloy kami.
Can't stay here, it's not safe.
Go on ahead. I'll meet you at the station.
I'll be
Ang
there.
dami! Ang dami!
This is out of control.
Okay, back up, back up. Ang dami! Eh! Okay, umiwas tayo sa mga zombies. At tipidin natin guys ang bala natin. Napansin ko yung kakaunti na eh. Tama ba pinapuntahan natin?
Shit.
Ay, nabangon. Ay, sagat. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Yung mga nabangon din. Parang sa The Walking Dead. Run, Leon, run.
There it is. The station.
Sure kang police station yan? Mukhang museum. RPD. Okay. Tara, let's go. Ang dami na zombie sa paligid. Pili ko delikado yung magpaputok ng baril. Nalabas sa school bus. Ay! 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 Uy! Pasok agad! Pasok! Oh! Ang dami! Putik, may kakatakot. One shot isn't enough pa naman pagka sa ulo. Paano pa kaya pagka sa katawan natin binaril? Ano? Naka-max yung bala natin doon. Okay, wala ba din mapupuntahan? Or malulot? Alright, pasok tayo din eh. Daan-daan mo baka may sumulpot na zombie sa harap natin. Wow! Ang ganda ng police station ah.
Is anybody here?
Welcome to the city of... blah, blah, blah. Okay. We just earned a trophy, guys. Oh! Ay, ito bala! Okay. Wait. Ano ito? What do you mean by this? Bakit pa may check doon sa dulo? Examine. Storage room key. Okay. May magagamit pa ba tayo na susing ito din sa police station? Parang wala na. Ano ito? What's this? Ah, okay.
There's someone here.
Surveillance camera. May buhay pa oh. Cam 4, cam 4. Yan.
Not good.
David, Marvin, you there? I found a way out. It's in here.
Okay. Oh! Hoy! Layo! Yan.
Send reinforcements.
Huwag mong bitaw ng iyong weapons. Okay, I think that's our map.
Gotta find that guy.
Alright. What's this? View map. Okay. Okay, so ito na yung mapa natin. Alright, so ayun tayo yung arrow. Saan punta natin? Okay, so din eh. Let's just see. Ano ito? So pwede tayo din mag-store. Try nga natin. Oo nga, pwede. Nice. Pwede. Wala na? Okay, so din tayo pupunta. First aid spray. Kailangan natin to. Mahalaga to. Paano mag-reload din eh? Alright. We got it. Keep out. Okay, makulit tayo eh. Pasukin natin loob. Wala na isasagad. Hanggang dun lang yon. Okay. Dahan-dahan ka dyan. There's blood everywhere. Putik, lakas ng loob ni Leon ah. Nakakatakot. Pagkadilim. Oh, ano ito? Okay. Okay, wala pa tayo nito. Never mind. Here. Okay, hindi. Putik, may kakatakot. Pagkadilim. Kung saan yung tunog na yun nanggagaling? Handaan pa eh. Baka may jump scare eh. Huh? Okay, there's another corpse here. Huwag ka sana bumangon. Ano ito? Okay, ilaw. Oh. Okay, may pakinabang yung corpse. Bala oh. Okay. Okay natin tumakbo. Hindi naman madidig ng mga zombie ang takbo natin, no? Okay, hopefully not. Hold X, okay. Yep. Lakas ni Leon. Si Leon pa. Kaya niya yan. Cleaning in progress, okay. Yun ba? Check natin sa map. Okay, papunta tayo sa bathroom, guys. Oh! Nice. Dalawa ng ating first aid spray. Umaapaw na ang tubig, kadiri. Okay. So, din lang tayo galing kanina. Din tayo. Ang daming katawan. Huwag kayong bumangon ha.
Jesus.
Yup, Jesus.
Open up! Hurry!
Sino yun?
Open up!
Dini ba?
Open this goddamn door!
Okay, my mistake. Hindi din eh. Hindi din eh. Ay, ito din eh.
I'll get you out!
Okay. Ito ba yung police doon sa surveillance camera? Ay, oo nga. Ito. Hoy. Dili. Hinahabol yata yung mga zombie.
Give me your other hand!
Come on. Ay, putik! Jack! Bro, kumalat ng dugo! Hoy! Dili! Gagi! Naputol ang katawan! Pinaggagawa ng mga zombie doon. Wala na. Grabe ang details. What's that? Look! Kariay. Okay, we have officer's notebook. Butik na yan. What are those? Are those statues? Okay. Malaman natin mamaya. Putik, men! Kawawa ang pulis! Something's here. Oh! May pulis sa zombie! Hindi nga pala sapat ang isang putok sa ulo! Okay, that's 3 hits. Reload. Ay! Alis! Hindi ko na gusto malaman kung saan yun nanggaling. Walang takbo. Ay!
They're everywhere!
Yup, they're everywhere, alright. Ay, sorry. I missed. Yan. Okay. Napatumba natin sila tayo. Let's go. Ito ba? Kailangan? Okay, wala pa din to. Okay, wait na tayo din eh. Dali! Bilis! May nadinig pa akong nahabol sa likod natin eh. Hoy! Hoy, gagi! Who's this? Si Claire ba to? Yup, he deserved that. Who's this?
You're safe. For now. Thanks.
Guys, may kagat siya.
Marvin Brown.
Okay.
Leon Kennedy. There was another offstrike. I could.
Yung nahati ang body.
Here.
May kagat si Marvin. Kagat ba yun or damage lamang?
Does anyone know what started this?
Okay, ready na ako si Leon, no?
Yeah, well, I was supposed to start last week, and I got a call to stay away. I wish I'd come here sooner.
You're here now, Leon. That's all that matters.
Yep, that's all that matters.
Hey, Lieutenant, I'm ready.
Hopefully you'll be able to find a way out of this station. That officer we met earlier, Elliot. He thought this secret passageway might be the truth.
This is good news.
What are
I'm gonna get
those?
you to hospital.
No, I am not going with you.
Lieutenant, I'm not just gonna leave you here.
I'm giving you an order, rookie.
Ay, rookie pala si
Save
Leon.
yourself first. I'd come with you, but I just slowed you down.
I guess we're on our own now.
You'll need this.
What's that? Ano yung pang-kuryente? Ay, hindi. Knife?
And don't make my mistake.
What is your mistake?
If you see one of those things, uniform or not, you do not hesitate.
Okay.
Take it out. Or you run. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kuha kasi feel ko tuwing may napapatumba tayong zombie, wala tayong nalulut sa kanila eh. So I guess it's better to avoid them as well. Alright, we got our combat knife here. Okay. Wait lang. Okay. Standard. Wait. Examine nga doon natin. Kawa sa may durability to. Ibig sabihin nasisira din to pagka masyadong nagagamit. Okay. I get it. Alright, so... Ayan, okay. Ganito nga. Nice. We've got our combat knife, guys. Okay, try muna daw natin to i-save. Alright, saving. Okay, so I think I will end up our gameplay here, guys. So thank you for watching and abangan na lamang ninyo ulit ang susunod na part. Lupit sa dyan ng gameplay na to,